When it comes to what to wear while cooking in the kitchen, it's important to consider various factors like fashion, trends, practicality, occasion, and more. Here's some advice tailored to different scenarios. First, everyday cooking at home. For casual cooking at home, opt for comfortable attire like loose-fitting tops and pants or shorts made from breathable fabrics such as cotton. Avoid long, flowy sleeves that could potentially catch fire or get in the way. Additionally, an apron is a practical accessory to protect your clothing from spills and splatters. Special occasions or dinner parties. If you're cooking for a special occasion or hosting a dinner party, consider dressing slightly more upscale while still prioritizing comfort and practicality. A stylish yet functional outfit could include a chic blouse paired with tailored pants or a tasteful dress that allows for ease of movement. Hot weather cooking. In hot weather, it's crucial to wear lightweight, moisture-wicking fabrics to stay cool and comfortable. Choose breathable tops and bottoms like tank tops or shorts, and consider wearing a headband or tying your hair back to keep it off your face. Trending kitchen fashion. Keep an eye on current trends for kitchen fashion, such as statement aprons or stylish oven mitts. Incorporating trendy accessories can add a fun and fashionable touch to your cooking ensemble while still serving a practical purpose. Practicality and safety. Regardless of the occasion or fashion trends, prioritize practicality and safety in the kitchen. Avoid wearing loose clothing or dangling accessories that could pose a safety hazard around flames or hot surfaces. Closed-toe shoes are also recommended to protect your feet from spills or falling objects. Easy cleanup. Opt for clothing that is easy to clean in case of spills or stains. Dark-colored or patterned fabrics can help camouflage any accidental messes, while machine-washable materials simplify the cleanup process. Personal style. Above all, let your personal style shine through in your kitchen attire. Whether you prefer classic, minimalist looks or bold, colorful outfits, choose clothing that makes you feel confident and comfortable while cooking. By considering factors like practicality, comfort, occasion, and personal style, you can find the perfect balance between fashion and functionality in the kitchen. So, dress with confidence, cook with passion, and enjoy creating delicious meals in style. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for upcoming video from Mature Life and beyond. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.